Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink rosemary tea every day? This powerful herbal tea has been used for centuries to support overall health, and modern research continues to reveal its incredible benefits. From boosting circulation to enhancing memory, rosemary tea is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can improve your well-being. Stay with us until the end to learn how to make rosemary tea and maximize its benefits. Number 1. Boosts circulation. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can significantly improve blood circulation. It works by expanding blood vessels, which allows oxygen and essential nutrients to reach your tissues more efficiently. This can lead to better energy levels, reduced muscle fatigue, and faster recovery from physical exertion. Additionally, improved circulation helps lower high blood pressure and reduces the risk of blood clots, stroke, and cardiovascular diseases. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosemary further support heart health by protecting blood vessels from oxidative stress. However, if you have a blood disorder or take blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before drinking rosemary tea frequently. Number 2. Aids digestion. Rosemary tea is a natural remedy for digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation. It contains compounds that relax the muscles of the digestive tract, promoting smoother bowel movements and reducing discomfort after meals. Rosemary also stimulates bile production from the liver, which is crucial for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with sluggish digestion or gallbladder issues. Additionally, the tea's antimicrobial properties help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, supporting overall digestive health and reducing symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. Number 3. Balances blood sugar levels. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes, rosemary tea can be a great addition to your diet. Studies have shown that rosemary enhances insulin sensitivity, which helps your body regulate blood sugar more efficiently. It also contains compounds that mimic the function of insulin, promoting better glucose absorption into cells. For individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, incorporating rosemary tea into their routine may help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of long-term complications. However, if you are on diabetes medication, speak with your doctor before consuming rosemary tea regularly to prevent any interactions. Number 4. Reduces stress and enhances mood. Feeling stressed or anxious? A warm cup of rosemary tea can help you relax and unwind. The natural compounds in rosemary have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing cortisol levels and promoting mental clarity. Rosemary tea is also known to improve sleep quality, making it beneficial for those dealing with insomnia. Drinking a cup before bedtime can help ease tension, allowing you to drift into a more restful sleep. Number 5. Improves brain health and memory. One of the most well-known benefits of rosemary is its ability to boost brain function. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Studies suggest that rosemary tea enhances memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. It also helps break down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for brain cell communication. This means drinking rosemary tea regularly could lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans, used rosemary to enhance memory and focus. Even today, researchers continue to explore its potential as a natural brain booster. Number 6. Reduces inflammation and pain. If you suffer from arthritis, joint pain, or muscle soreness, rosemary tea may provide natural relief. The herb's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and discomfort, making it an effective remedy for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In addition to drinking rosemary tea, applying rosemary-infused oil topically can further alleviate pain and stiffness. Its warming effect helps relax muscles and improve circulation to affected areas, promoting faster recovery. Number 7. Strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections, and rosemary tea can help keep your body's defenses in top shape. Packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, rosemary helps combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Historically, rosemary was even used to preserve food due to its natural ability to inhibit bacterial growth. Drinking rosemary tea regularly may reduce your risk of colds, flu, and other common illnesses while supporting overall immune function. Number 8. Supports liver health and detoxification. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying the body, and rosemary tea can help support its function. This herbal tea aids in breaking down fats and toxins, preventing liver damage caused by excessive alcohol consumption, processed foods, and medications. Rosemary also stimulates the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from oxidative stress. If you're looking for a natural way to support liver detoxification, rosemary tea is an excellent addition to your diet. Number 9. Protects eye health. Rosemary tea contains antioxidants that help protect against age-related eye conditions, such as cataracts and macular degeneration. These conditions are caused by oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which rosemary's compounds help combat. Drinking rosemary tea regularly may slow down the progression of vision loss, making it an easy and effective way to support long-term eye health. Number 10. Enhances skin and hair health. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a great natural remedy for skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Drinking rosemary tea can help cleanse the body from within, reducing breakouts and promoting clearer skin. For hair health, rosemary has been shown to stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. It also helps combat dandruff and scalp irritation. Many people use rosemary-infused water as a hair rinse to strengthen strands and promote shine. How to make rosemary tea. Now that you know the benefits of rosemary tea, here's how to make it at home. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves, 1 cup of boiling water, honey, lemon, or cinnamon for added flavor. If using fresh rosemary, wash the leaves thoroughly. Bring water to a boil in a kettle or pot. Place the rosemary leaves in a tea infuser or directly in a cup. Pour boiling water over the leaves and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the leaves if necessary and add sweetener or lemon if desired. Enjoy your warm cup of rosemary tea. For a stronger brew, simmer the rosemary leaves in water for 15 to 20 minutes to extract more beneficial compounds. Possible side effects and precautions. While rosemary tea is generally safe, excessive consumption may cause digestive discomfort, nausea, or allergic reactions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before drinking rosemary tea, as it may affect hormone levels. Individuals with gallstones or bleeding disorders should avoid excessive intake due to its effects on bile production and blood thinning. If you take blood pressure or diabetes medications, speak with your healthcare provider to avoid potential interactions. Rosemary tea is a delicious and natural way to support your health, from boosting circulation to enhancing brain function. By incorporating this herbal tea into your daily routine, you can enjoy its numerous benefits while promoting overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from rosemary tea. Thanks for watching!